Find 2,851 divided by 12 by hand. Well, if I'm going to do that by hand, that means I'm going to have to do long division. And when you do long division, you have to think of it as how many 12s go into 2,851. So I'm going to need to know the multiples of 12 so I can figure out how many go into that number. So let me write them down the side, and that'll mean that I can refer them later. 1 12 is 12, 2 12s will add another 12, that'll be 24, 3 12s will add another 12, that'll be 36, 4 12s, that'll be 48, 5 12s, 50, 60, 6 12s, 72, 7 12s, 84, 8 12s, 96, 9 12s, 108, 10 12s would be 120, and yep, I've done that right because 10 12s should be 120. So now let's write our long division. If I wrote that as a fraction, the 12 would end up on the bottom. If I write as a long division, I have to flip it around the other way and put the 12 over this side. So 12 into 2851. So let's have a look. 28. How many 12s go into 28? 24 is the best number on here because 36 is too big. So the nearest multiple of 12 to that is 24, and that's 2 lots of 12. And I'll take off the 24 and figure out what's left over. So 2 minus 2 is 0, 8 minus 4 is 4. And I'll bring down the 5 and the 1. So now we'll do it again. How many 12s go into 45? 48 is too far, so 36 is the nearest multiple of 12, and that's 3 lots of 12. And I'll take off my 36 and see what I get. So 45 minus 30 would be 15, 15 minus 6 would be 9. So 9, and I'll bring down the 1, and that'll be 91. Okay, so how many 12s go into 91? Okay, 96 is too far, so 84 is the nearest multiple of 12, and that was 7 times 12. So 91 minus 80 would be 11, 11 minus 4 would be 7. Okay, so I've got 237, and I've got 7 left over. If I figured what this was as a decimal, then I could round off to the appropriate level of accuracy that I needed. So what I'll do is I'll just put some decimal places in. Maybe I'll go 2 decimal places and we'll see how that looks. Alright, so 12 goes into 70. 72 is too far, so the nearest one is 60. And that was 5. So 7 minus 6 would be 1. Okay, so we've got 100 here. We're ignoring the decimal place. So 108 is too far, that'd be 96. 96, which was 8 lots of 12. Take that off. 100 minus 9 would be 10. 10 minus 6 would be 4. And that'll do it, I reckon. So what we've got is that 2,851 divided by 12 is 237.58 approximately.